Yeah, he's gotta go.
But he wants to, you know what? Zoro, stay. Zoro, come here. No, Zoro. No. Zoro.
Uh-oh.
Zoro.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Don't fight.
Whoa.
Be careful with your little brother.
Mario, you're sick. Oh,
Shh, quiet. Quiet, don't say anything.
uh-oh. Zoro, be nice. Nice, Zoro. No. Fabio, be nice.
Get out of there, that's gross. Zoro?
Fabio's going, no, don't cut it.
Shh, quiet.
Fabio.
That's why his name's Fabio. The little one's a tough one, isn't he?
He just stays underneath him.
Yeah, that's his strategy. Stop it.
That's sick. So be nice. Be nice.
What are you taking a picture of? He's getting like all wet. Zoro's mouth. Ew. He's gonna eat him for Thanksgiving dinner. He's like a he's like a turkey. Oh!
Zoro? He just shocked him. He looked up at you.
Aw, I'm kissing makeup. Oh, no.
Zoro, be nice.
Stop it.
Stick your face. Good boy, Zoro. Be nice.
Pick at someone your own size. It's a brave dog.